footwork is there.
Two very well respected kickboxing gyms too. I think this is going to be a really exciting match. And we're off straight from the bell.
Both
Lovely
coming
turning
forward,
kicks.
aggressive. Both throwing roundhouses, very clean.
These two young lads don't look like strangers to the ring at all. They're well able.
Trojan Gym showing their hands more.
Undisputed answering here with a roundhouse.
Very even match.
Starting the show like this shows the amount of talent that's going to be here tonight. Great right hand from Undisputed.
The Undisputed boy pushing forward now.
Both guys answering each other's combinations.
That was a good first round from both lads.
Harvey Walker finishing strong there from Undisputed. Great first round performance from both boys. They're back into round two. Nice roundhouses there again.
Good back and forth action from both lads. Trojan Gym pushing forward. Oh, Undisputed throwing nice kicks.
Now Corey pushing forward. Answered nicely by Harvey.
It's very even though, tit for tat. I wouldn't want to judge this one.
I definitely wouldn't like to be judging. It's going to come down to who wants this one more,
Yeah.
I think.
Our Trojan
Walker
lad
really
pushing
him
forward.
back now.
Undisputed boy, keep going forward now.
Corey showing great heart to stay in here. Can he get out of the corner?
First
The ref
count.
stepped in. To be this age and in the ring takes immense bravery, so well done.
And
it's
that's
finished.
it.
We have Harvey Walker from Undisputed taking the win.
By second round TKO.
If we can give both fighters a courageous clap. And the referee stops this contest in the second round. And your winner in the red corner, Harvey Walker.